Okay, so we are in Unit 3. This is part 1. And well, here we have first the language summary. Remember, this is Unit 3. And well, this unit is about houses, apartments, spaces in general. So we have to pay attention, for example, to these verbs that we have here. For example, comfortable, cramped, dingy, huge, inconvenient, modern. Okay. Then we have the verbs, the nouns. Remember to check the language summary for Unit 3. Okay, so remember to use a dictionary. Okay, if you need it, but these are very important. These adjectives are very important for this unit. And here we have is for houses, apartments, spaces. Okay, so don't forget it. Remember, every class we need to learn 7 verbs. Okay, it could be regular or irregular. Very good. So the first activity is please open your book. It's on page 16. Page 16. And we are going to do the activity 1A. Okay, pause the video in this moment before you continue. Okay, so let's go over the answers. Yes, we have brag is positive, comfortable positive, convenient positive. I repeat, brag positive, comfortable positive, convenient positive, cramped negative, dangerous negative, dark negative, dingy negative, expensive negative, huge positive, inconvenient negative, modern positive, noisy negative, private positive, quiet positive, safe positive, shabby negative, small negative, and spacious positive. Remember to use the dictionary for these words, okay? For example, for cramped, dingy, shabby, spacious. Very good. Okay, so remember to use the dictionary. Esta parte es para vocabulario. Recuerden buscarlo en algún diccionario si tienen duda. Okay, so let's continue. Please open your book on page 16, section 2, and I will ask you to listen and read. Okay?
Unit 3. Time for a change. Page 16, Exercise 2. Perspectives. Which would you prefer? Part A. Listen to these opinions about houses and apartments. Which ones are about space? 1,
Apartments are too small for pets.
2,
Apartments aren't big enough for families.
3,
Apartments don't have as many rooms as houses.
4,
Apartments have just as many expenses as houses.
5,
Apartments don't have enough parking spaces.
6,
Houses cost too much money.
7,
Houses aren't as safe as apartments.
8,
Houses aren't as convenient as apartments.
9,
Houses don't have enough closet space.
10.
Houses don't have as much privacy as apartments.
Please open your book. Let's check the grammar focus on page 16, section 3. Here we have listen and read.
Page 17, Exercise 3. Grammar focus. Evaluations with adjectives.
Apartments aren't big enough for families.
Apartments are too small for pets.
Evaluations with nouns.
Apartments don't have enough parking spaces.
Houses cost too much money.
Comparisons with adjectives.
Houses aren't as convenient as apartments.
Houses are just as convenient as apartments.
Comparisons with nouns.
Apartments have just as many rooms as houses.
Apartments don't have as much privacy as houses.
Okay, so let's talk about grammar. Here we have apartments aren't big enough for family, remember, sufficient. And here we have the verb to be. And here we have another with adjective, evaluation. Apartments are too small for pets. Remember, this is too is negative, okay? Something negative. Here we have evolutions with noun. In this case, we have, we are using the verb have. Apartments don't have enough parking spaces. Here we use the verb to be. Okay, here we have the verb have, and in this case, houses cost too much money. In this case, we are adding much because money, remember, is uncountable. Okay. Very good. Now, here we have houses aren't as convenient as apartment. As I was telling you in the last slide, houses are just as convenient as apartment. In this case, we are adding, well, this is with nouns, and we are adding the countables and uncountables. In this case, they are using just as many rooms as houses. Apartments don't have as much privacy as houses. Privacy is uncountable, so we use much, and rooms is countable, so we use many. Okay? Tenemos que esta gramática no es tan complicada. Los departamentos no son lo suficientemente grandes para las familias. Recuerden, aquí estamos en are porque apartments está en plural. Si fuera singular es isn't big enough for families. Okay? Apartments are too small for pets. ¿Sí? Muy pequeños para las mascotas. Siempre el tú nos va a decir algo pues negativo, ¿no? De este lado tenemos igual evaluaciones, pero utilizamos es con sustantivos, pero estamos utilizando el verbo tener, don't have enough parking spaces, en comparación con que tenemos el verbo to be. Houses cost too much money, aquí agregamos igual es negativo, el to va a ser negativo. Los apartamentos son muy, sí, esto es como un very, ¿no? Pero siempre va a indicar algo negativo desde el punto de vista del emisor del mensaje, que él tiene toda la razón de decir algo negativo, es un mensaje. Y de este lado estamos agregando las casas cuestan mucho dinero, ¿no? Son demasiado caras en este caso. Bien, y aquí estamos usando el much porque se está enfatizando aún el to con el much, y money es un sustantivo incontable, no decimos dineros. Algunos sustantivos sí se corresponden al pasarlos en plural o no al español, algunos otros no. Comparaciones, como les comentaba, las casas, ¿sí?, no son tan convenientes como los departamentos. Las casas son tan convenientes como, ¿sí?, los departamentos. La única diferencia entre el primero y el segundo es que se le agrega just. Just es solo, ¿sí? Y se va a ocupar de manera positiva este tipo de oración, ¿sí? Pero está haciendo la misma función que el anterior. Las casas son tan convenientes como los departamentos. Las comparaciones con sustantivos. Los departamentos tienen tantos cuartos como las casas, ¿sí? Digamos que la traducción pudiese ser la misma, pero aquí estamos enfatizando aún más y aparte se está usando sustantivo. Entonces vamos a agregarle many o much dependiendo si es contable o incontable. Okay, so please open your book on page 17 and do exercise 3A. Pause the video before you continue, okay? Very good. So here we have the answers for exercise 3A. Please check your answers. Very good. So we continue. Remember, if you want to check your answers, just pause the video.